Instead of me telling you about it, I'm going to turn it over to the man you just talked about, my newest broadcast colleague, Elliot Johnson.
I'm here with Big Game James, and you are going to be the feature in that you are leading off, and it's well known and established that you are the #1 pitcher. How does it feel to be the #1 man out on the catwalk?
I'll tell you what, I'm feeling a lot of pressure. Yeah, I think this is my 3rd year doing it, so I'm feeling pretty nice about it. You know, I got a nice little horse walk working on the runway. Maybe do a little spin at the end and, you know, just have fun with it. I'm walking with Manny, little Manny, and my wife Ryan, so we should have a lot of fun with it.
You happen to be following up with Big Game James Shields. Those are some big shoes to follow. Now, he said that he's going to bring out the horse walk. Do you have anything to counter? Have you worked on your Le Tigre, Ferrari, any of those things, Blue Steel?
You don't have to work on it. I mean, when your name, like I said, when your name is Derek, you go into the Zoolander mode. It's straight something that comes to you. It's a natural feel. It's a feel for the game. You know, I hate to use cliches, but it's just kind of a feel. You're in the moment and you do what you do.
I'm here with Sam Fuld. You are looking like Sam Fuld, other than the shoes. Would you care to elaborate on how you feel walking out there with your wife wearing what you are wearing?
A little self-conscious, but luckily I'm guessing most people are going to be looking at the neck up, and it'll take the pressure off of my skin-tight, faded green jeans that I'm sporting tonight.
If we had not been back from Miami, would you feel comfortable in what you are wearing currently?
I would not. I would not feel comfortable in this.
I appreciate your honesty. How do you feel about the rolled-up pink pants that you're sporting today?
You know, it's pretty uncomfortable stepping out of my comfort zone, but I'm okay with it.
The fact that you are DJ Papi Flex 23, did that have anything to do with, any influence on this idea that you came up with to raise not only just a few $100s, but a few $1,000s towards some of these kids' dreams?
You know, a few $1,000s go a long way. You know, especially when we're talking about a great cause like this one. You know, when it's time to take care of business, DJ Papi Flex just shows up, you know, and he was there, taking care of business.
DJ Papi Flex 23 here, raising money for the Children's Dream Fund and the Tampa Bay Rays. You heard it first here with Elliot Johnson, the Tampa Bay Rays on the runway.